Hello everybody, happy Monday. How are you all doing today? First day of spring break. How's it been there, miss? Yeah?
I'm wearing my new Nike.
She is. They both are. They're both wearing their new shoes. Parker's so cute. Oh my gosh. They just look so different on him because I'm not used to seeing him wearing tennis shoes like that. But they're cute. And Caitlin's are so bright. Look, she's so bright today. She's got all her neon colors on. Anyway, we are going to Carter's really quick because their shoe sale ends today. And there was a pair of sandals that I really wanted for the little buddy and a pair of church shoes that I wanted for him. So I'm gonna go get those and then we're gonna run to Target. Gotta get a couple things for dinner. We were gonna do dinner next door tonight, but plans changed and we're just gonna do dinner at home. So I gotta go get a couple things for dinner and then we'll come back home. They're building some houses over there. Look at them go up. Oh my gosh. They're going up really fast. I'm a little worried. The for sale sign for that lot that I told you guys about, they took it down. So I don't know if that means that someone bought it. I'll have to ask my brother if he called about it and what they said. Anyway, you guys, I know you can't see me very good right now, but I hope y'all are having a great Monday, that your week is starting off good, and the weather isn't super crazy where you are. I know Tennessee and Kentucky and a bunch of those states, they're getting snow right now. And it's a beautiful spring day here in Texas. Look at this cool guy. He thinks he's so cool with his shoes, you guys. All right, let's go look for some shoes. Hello.
Whoa, a fire truck.
Oh, Daddy's the fire truck.
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
Hi guys, so I'm not in my room right now. I'm at Zoe's house. Hi. Because I'm having a sleepover because I'm going to camp tomorrow. Hi. At gymnastics. I'm doing like ninja stuff, ninja moves, gymnastics moves, snack, crafts, games, and that's all. Last time we didn't do crafts when I was there, like I don't know why. Maybe it's new. Maybe. Okay, let's go. So like I'm at Zoe's house, like I said, having a sleepover for camp, and we are just going through the stuff that I've gave her. Look at all of this. You have to. I gave her this. Woof woof woof. Smack. Oh yeah, because Rogan's tail always hits us. Yeah, I hate that. Well guys, Rogan is my dog. If you didn't know. Yeah. So we have this thing. This is just for you. Dear Zoe, there is something special in the bag just for you. I made this at snack time. It's loud. I had nuts with... What do you have? Well, I have to go buy. So that special thing was, I still have it. I happen to have it right here. She's going to get it. Wait! I need crutches. My legs hurt. Please! Okay, this says, look. Best friends forever to ZZ. What? What's ZZ? AKA best friends forever. AKA BFF. What am I doing to our dream kit? AKA Zoe. We're going! Oh my gosh. Oh jeez. No, I think she hit it really hard. Let's play Woofs. Hi guys. So we're gonna show you a little bit of our game. Yeah. Hi Katie. Hi. Baby, I'm a baby wolf and I'm white. Okay, so we have a game where like we're wolves. Hates the mom. She's a black wolf. Her name's Cole. No, Oh yeah, Ash. That's Kira. She's gonna be a white wolf. A white wolf? Wait, no, you're a gray wolf. You're a gray wolf. She's a gray wolf. And her name is Sparkle. No, yeah, and that little mischief, that guy, he is gonna be a newborn coming from her. What about me? What about me? And then Parker's name is gonna be what color wolf? He's gonna be a gray wolf. His name's gonna be Cole. Yeah, Cole. And then I am a white wolf. My name's gonna be Twilight. Wait, no, my name's gonna be Snow. Okay, everybody's hit. Let's go. Okay, go to bed, kids. It's okay.
No, we're the same age and we're like taking Go to bed.
I can't survive.
They're all going crazy.
Too many kids. I'm not your mama. We found you. Your mama abandoned you.
It's been 2 minutes.
Time to wrap things up for the evening, guys. Caitlin's sleeping over her friend's house, that way they can go straight to gymnastics in the morning tomorrow without us having to take them, so that should be nice. Hope you guys liked the video. Alright, I don't know what the kids were recording, so I guess that'll be a surprise in the morning. You know, because Rena's the one that edits it also. They usually do weird stuff. I don't know. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so. See you in the morning.